Hey everybody, today in this video we'll be making Cheeto mozzarella sticks in the air fryer. Let's get started. We have here 7 mozzarella sticks and we're going to remove the packaging. There you go. We have here bags of Cheetos. There's a couple of ways of doing this. You can either crush it with your hands, or you could use a sledgehammer. But I would suggest a blender. The reason being is that it chops up into finer bits more evenly. Okay, we're gonna put it in here. There we go, the cap on. You can use any blender you like, or whatever you have. Now we're gonna blend it. There we go. We have it nicely chopped up into fine bits. As you can see, it's very fine bits, and that's what you really want. Okay. We're gonna put this on the side. Put this cup on the side just in case we need more Cheetos later. And let's get started. We have here flour, 2 eggs, and Cheetos. And it's just that simple. We just stir up the 2 eggs. Make sure you blend the eggs nice and even. There we go. Okay. So the first step you want to do is dip into flour. Dip it into the egg. I'm going to use my left hand for the egg. And then dip it into the Cheetos. Dip it back into the egg again. Back into the Cheetos. There we go, we have 1. Okay, last one. Dip it into flour. Dip it into the egg. Dip it into the Cheetos. Dip it into the egg again, and the Cheetos. There we go, the last one. A little messy, but you know what? It's well worth it. Okay, this is what it should look like after you put the Cheeto coating onto the mozzarella sticks. Next, what you want to do is you want to freeze the cheese sticks for 30 minutes. It's a very important thing to do before you put it in the air fryer. Alright, so we'll be back. Okay, it's been 30 minutes, it's nice and frozen. So the next thing we're going to do is preheat the air fryer. The air fryer's been preheated, and now we're going to put in the Cheeto mozzarella sticks. But before we do that, we should spray some olive oil on it. There you go. Spray some olive oil in here too. We're gonna put them in. Oh, they're still frozen onto the board a little bit. There we go. Alright, we have them all set, and we're gonna put it in. And we're setting it at 4 minutes at 390 degrees. Okay, it's been 4 minutes at 390 degrees. Let's take a look. Oh yeah, look at that. It looks wonderful. It smells really good too. You can really smell the Cheetos. Let's take them out. Ooh, hot. Very hot. this is what we have today. Cheeto mozzarella sticks made in the air fryer. And again, don't forget to freeze the mozzarella sticks for 30 minutes before you put it into the air fryer. Let's take a look at one of them. Oh yeah, look at that. Just how I like it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.